This place is a mess.
Wow. Bad. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. We are in Miami. Sun beating down on us, and we're getting ready to clean this van.
Yeah, we just got back from Key West, and we did not really keep our van clean at all, and there's old food in the fridge, and we just have a bunch of van life chores. So today we're gonna take you basically around and in the van and show you what van life chores really look like, because we think this is a pretty important part of the reality of van life.
Yeah, it smells in here. Let's get to it.
Yeah. The bed is a mess. It also smells. We also had some stuff going on with the drain, so that's absolutely disgusting. There's B, he looks great. And then we just have stuff like
everywhere.
There's just sand everywhere. And then we have a bunch of groceries. We need to clean out the fridge. It's just a hot mess. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the fridge first, because it's kind of stinky, and when we were in Key West, we ate out basically all the time. Reason being, you're not really supposed to boondock there or sleep in your car, so we wanted to be in the van as little as possible, which means we kind of just left everything and we only came in here to change, brush our teeth, and stuff like that. Oop, this is falling. So I'm gonna start with the fridge. Pretty good. It's just so smelly and nasty in here right now. It's like, ew, what? Spill. Ew.
We use these cool cloth produce bags to store our produce in the fridge.
Oh my God, look at how bad.
Oh my God, look at that.
Wow.
What?
This is why you put like a really good sealant on everything in a van.
We haven't cleaned this trough in like 2 months, so it's pretty grimy. This place is a mess.
Dishes are done. However, looks like we have some drain issues still. So this is what's been going on lately. So we have to figure out what we're gonna do about it. So we're gonna do that here in just a few minutes, but before we do, we gotta figure out what to do with all these clothes.
Smells like something's dying inside our laundry basket. Like seriously, something's dying in there.
So this is all our laundry. So this stuff we can leave back here for now. I feel like we should go do, what should we go do next? I feel like we should take care of this toilet situation.
Let's go to the car wash. We can wash the car, deal with the draining problem, and clean the toilet.
So we're trying to find a car wash, but the thing is, when you have a van, you can't just go to any car wash. You need a self-service car wash where you wash it yourself. But if we look up hand washing, it comes up with ones where somebody hand washes it for you. So it's always like a little bit of a thing to find a car wash, because this is where we take care of the toilet. This is where we wash the car. So it's just always like a little bit more difficult. But we're headed up. We're trying to do 2-in-1. We're headed up to Brian Uncle's house, and I have Yelp that I'm looking at right now, and I'm comparing it to Google Maps, like looking at Google Maps to find self-service. Then I go on Yelp, and then I look at the Yelp pictures of the car wash to figure out if it's the kind of car wash we need. So it's definitely a process. So we're just gonna make our way up north to go see Brian's uncle and aunt, and look for a place on the way that way it doesn't get too dark so we can show you all of this. We got gas?
We got gas, we got cash. Now we just gotta find a car wash.
So while we're waiting in line for the car wash, I'm gonna go ahead and take this time to refill some of our spice jars because they're completely empty. So just another thing that we totally haven't done in a while.
Vacuum time. Dude, there's an extra glove box on the dashboard. I had no idea. I thought that was an airbag compartment. It'll be raining anytime soon, so I'm gonna put my raincoat back into the pillow. And just getting rid of some heavy clothing because we are in Florida and I don't need any of that stuff right now. So in here we keep our winter jackets. Looks pretty full, but we're gonna
we can do it.
Put more in there. Okay, so just this, nothing else?
Yeah, that's it.
All right.
Those are the best storage, like, they're so good.
They lock, the top lock's pretty nice too.
Because the other ones we've got from Target and stuff have all been crap. Okay, so now we just got the rest of this stuff and this bad boy. What do you say about doing do you want to do the toilet next?
I'm gonna do the shower pan next.
Do we need to wait to do the toilet because there's a line?
Yeah.
This has been probably one of the busiest car washes.
It is the busiest car wash I've ever seen.
Yeah, and we don't want to take up time doing our toilet in there, so we're just waiting until it closes.
Yeah, there's 3 stalls closed over here, so it's no bueno. Even this late at night, I can't believe it's so busy.
Yeah, so we'll just wait. Okay, so one of the best things we did in our van to save space is to actually put in these babies. A lot of people don't have them, and then what they do is they just kind of put it all in a bag and use extra cabinet space. However, we realized we didn't really have anywhere to put toilet paper. So today, we picked up this and this little caddy. It's gonna go over right here as an extra toilet paper holder. So then when we take a shower, we can just take it right out. Ready for it, babe?
I don't even know what I'm getting ready for. I don't even know what's about to happen. Just gonna douse this heavily. Oh God, it smells so bad.
So I just want to reiterate, this toilet does not usually smell. So it's not really the toilet, it's because shower pan is what filled up and it reeks. So bad.
I can smell from here.
So I just finished this with my little scrub brush. It's pretty good. B is out cleaning the toilet, and we've already made a video about how you clean a toilet, so we're not gonna show you. But if you do wanna learn how to clean a compostable toilet on the road, I'm gonna put a link right up here so you can check it out. It's definitely something to check out before you do van life so you get an idea of really what's involved. But B's just kind of doing an extra deep clean today, which is nice. So our sink is actually made of clay. And one of the cool things about the clay sink is that we use sandpaper to clean it. So we have our regular cleaning, but we can just sand it down whenever it gets a stain. So unlike some other sinks where it's really hard to take the stain out, we can just use sandpaper.
It's a stone sink, not a clay sink.
It's stone. As you can see, it's already getting a little bit better. And I'll put a link for that too in the description below, because this sink is awesome in terms of the width and depth, especially with this sink drainer, because you can use it as, you know, just a regular strainer. You can use it to put your dishes in and you still have room. So we love this sink. This is also the best travel broom. It's like so tiny. And then it just pops. And it comes with its own dustpan. This thing is amazing. It's pretty cool too. Well, we're sweaty. The car is pretty clean. The shower is especially clean, which is the biggest thing. But I had clients today, so we definitely started late, and we want to get to Brian's uncle and aunt's house. So I think we're gonna actually finish our chores tomorrow. We got clothes, basically, is what we have to do. We have clothes to do, and then I think
we'll get into that tomorrow.
So we'll catch you all in the morning. Bye.
So we normally do laundry at laundromat, but this week we are staying with my relatives, my aunt and uncle, and we're doing laundry here. Oh, there he is. Say hi to Lou.
Getting ready for the group to come.
We got a little mini family reunion happening, and gonna see some cousins and a bunch of people, aunts and uncles, and this is gonna be a fun time today.
So this wraps up our chores for, well, just actually this week.
This week, yeah.
But we have some actual repairs. Like we talked about earlier, our shower pan and our drains. We also have some other repairs on the van. So we're gonna do that on our next video. So check that out, because it's gonna, I think we're probably gonna have a lot of tips. So if you're building out a van, or if you're already in a van, you're definitely gonna wanna check that out. So.
Yeah, it's time to get my hands a little dirty.
Yeah, but for now, we're gonna go swimming. So we'll catch you all later.
If you like this channel, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.